Hello po sa inyong lahat mga ka-crypto. Ako po si Pinoy Crypto Trader at sa video na ito ay atin pong pag-uusapan dito ang isang kilalang analyst na nakapag-identify ng tinatawag niyang dump money kung saan ay mamimiss po nila yung next na XRP upsurge. Ayan. Meron naman po siyang ipapaliwanag rito kung ano nga ba ang ibig sabihin ng dump money. Kaya yan po ang ating pag-uusapan sa video na ito. Pero bago po tayo magpatuloy ay nais ko lamang po munang bigyang linaw ang aking disclaimer kung saan ang nilalaman po ng video na ito ay hindi po ito isang financial advice. For education and information purposes lamang po ang layunin nito. Maliban po dito ay nais ko na rin pong magbigay babala na wala pong kahit anumang group chat ang Pinoy Crypto Trader. Ayan, sabi po rito ay market analyst JD has called attention to an XRP trend that could result in investors referring to the dump money, missing out on the next XRP upsurge, citing similarities with the 2017 cycle. Kaya yan. Yan po si Ginoong JD, ang market analyst dito na naglabas ng tungkol dito sa kanyang tinatawag na dump money kung saan ay magkakaroon po sila ng miss out dito sa paparating na upsurge na XRP kung saan ay meron itong pagkakatulad na naganap noong taong 2017. Ayan, si JD, kapwa Pinoy po natin yan. Ayan, Pinoy po yan na market analyst. Kaya ayan, isa na rin po siya sa mga nagtitrade dito kay XRP. Kaya ayan, in a post on X, JD reminded his audience of the 2017 market cycle which began with XRP underperforming while other crypto assets saw massive gains. Historical data confirms this disclosure. Kaya ayan, yan pa rin po. Basta pagdating ngayon sa mga balita natin kay XRP ay underperforming po siya kumpara sa ibang mga crypto assets. The 2017 bull market. Yan, balikan po natin yung nakaraan na bull market noong 2017. Notably, the broader market started witnessing signs of the 2017 bull market in October 2015. While the market occasionally saw monthly declines, it recorded a general uptrend with Bitcoin or BTC and the most assets witnessing higher highs and higher lows. The bull market began properly in September 2016, with BTC already up by 58% as of December 2016. However, XRP only saw an 11% rise. At the start of 2017, XRP dropped by 18% from January to February, while BTC further increased by 22%. JD presented a chart detailing that the price drops in early 2017 occurred with XRP already trading below a 4-year downtrend. Due to XRP's underperformance in the early stages of the 2017 bull market, several market participants sold off their XRP holdings for other crypto assets that were doing well. Kaya yan, ito po yung paliwanag dito sa kanyang chart. Ayan. 2013 to 2017, the year of dump money capitalization before 600 times gain. Kaya ayan, nakikita po natin dito yung kanyang 4-year trend line na breakout. Yan, noong 2017 po yan. At isa po itong triangle pattern. Ayan. At nakikita natin dito, ayan, I remember the long consolidation 4-year period. Dump money was complaining while many altcoins were skyrocketing. Then dump money capitulated. They missed the 600 times gain. Kaya ayan. Kitang-kita po natin dito na dito po yan, parang ganito po yung ngayon yung sitwasyon ni XRP. Dito raw na halos nandito na po sa sulok ng triangle pattern natin ay marami na raw pong nagko-complain dito. Ayan, mga dump money. Yan yung tinatawag niyang mga dump money. Nandito po sila. At nakikita po natin dito yung candlestick na may napakahabang karayom. Yan. Dito na po nag-exit yung mga investor na talagang nawalan na ng tiwala dito kay XRP. Nag-exit na po sila para lumipat sa ibang mga altcoins kasi ayan, disappointed na sila dito kay XRP, parang walang nangyayari, underperformance siya, samantalang yung ibang mga altcoins ay nagpapakita ng magandang performance, pero kay XRP ay walang nangyayari, kaya ayan, nagdump po sila rito, kaya yan, nabuo po yung napakahabang tusok na yan, karayom ng candlestick na yan. Kaya yan yung kanyang tinatawag na dump money. Tapos yung sumunod na mga candlestick, yan, sumunod lamang na ilang mga candlestick ay bigla pong nabasag yung kanyang 4-year trendline breakout. Sumabog po ito. Kaya yan, sabi niya, dump money miss out on the 600 times gain because they were bored. Kaya yan, yung mga dump money ay nag-exit na dito. Yan, yung exit po sila yan sa karayom na yan. Yan, kung pag nag-hold lamang sila hanggang umabot siya rito ay ayan, nagkaroon sana sila ng 600 times na gain or profit. Kaya yan po yung paliwanag sa kanyang dump money, at ganito na rin po mismo yung kalagayan ngayon ni XRP. Kaya ayan, kung mauulit ito ay mukhang may mga dump money na mag-e-exit bago sasabog si XRP. Kaya yan, JD calls these investors dump money. According to him, they complained and capitulated their holdings before the eventual breakout. After the initial underperformance, XRP recorded an explosive price surge that outpaced almost all mainstream asset at the time, leading to a 600 times increase. This upsurge resulted in an all-time high of $3.31 in January 2018. The individuals who sold off their holdings before this rally forfeited the gains that came with it. JD believes this pattern will play out again in the current cycle. Kaya yan, naniniwala daw po si Ginoong JD na yung ganitong pangyayari, yan, ay mukhang mauulit po ito ngayon. Kaya yan, XRP underperforming again. Interestingly, XRP has been underperforming since the broader market started showing signs of the start of the bull run. Despite being 20% up since October, XRP has gained at a lower pace compared to other cryptocurrencies such as BTC and Solana. Solana recently surpassed XRP in market capitalization. This reality has resulted in sustained complaints among XRP investors, with some hinting at offloading their holdings. Yan, JD recently noted that this pattern would result in the capitalization of the XRP market recorded in 2017. Kaya yan na nga, marami nang nag-e-exit dito kay XRP. Marami nang nagbebentahan ng kanilang XRP kasi wala daw nangyayari sa kanyang performance. Nonetheless, a Dutch stock trader argued that XRP might not be able to repeat the 600 times rally of 2017. He pointed out that the token's market cap has already seen a substantial rise, leaving very little room for further growth. Kaya yan, may kumontra po dito kay JD, isa pong Dutch stock trader. Ayon naman po sa kanya ay mukhang malabo na maulit yung performance ni XRP na 600 times rally noong taong 2017. At ang kanyang dahilan dito ay yung market cap ni XRP. Ito ay nagkaroon na ng matinding pag-angat. Kaya kung aangat man ito ay hindi po ganito kalaki yung kanyang aakyatin. Kasi wala na raw, very little room for further growth. Kaya yan, wala na raw space or wala na raw gaanong ayan, kasi yan na nga, may yung kanyang market cap yung parang kanyang limitations. In a recent response, JD acknowledged the unfeasible nature of a 600 times projection. However, he contested that XRP's current technical indicators point to a possible 8 to 10 times upsurge when the rally materializes. XRP currently trades for 0.6210. 10 times increase would lead to $6.21. Ayan. Ayon naman kay JD, kung sakaling hindi po nagganap yung 600 times na projection, ay ang posible pong mangyayari rito ay nasa mga 8 to 10 times na upsurge. At kung pag nangyari po yan, nagkaroon po siya ng 10 times na upsurge, ay aakyat po ang market price ni XRP sa presyong $6.21. Kaya yan, Ayan po ang tinatawag ni Ginoong JD na damn money. At hanggang dito na lamang po tayo sa video na ito. Sana po ay inyong nagustuhan ang aking paliwanag dito. Kung inyo po itong nagustuhan ay pakiclick lamang po ang like button nito. Para naman po sa mga bago lamang dito, kayo po ay aking inaanyayahan para mag-subscribe. Pakiclick na rin po ang bell icon nito dahil ito po ang siyang magsisilbing notification nito sa mga bago kong videos na akin pong ina-upload sa aking YouTube channel na ito. Marami pong salamat sa panonood. Ingat po tayo lagi at God bless po sa ating lahat.